Okay, G, welcome back to another video daily MCQ series. Today we are again doing one question from electricity and DC circuits. Let's read the question first. There is a current from P to R in the resistor network. So we are given our network of resistors. The potential difference PD between P and Q is 3 voltage. From P and P to Q, potential difference is 3 voltage. The potential difference between Q and R is 6 voltage. Q and R is 6 voltage, right? The potential difference between P and S is 5 voltage. P and S is 5 voltage. Okay, no problem. Which row in the table is correct? Potential difference between Q and S, potential difference between S and R. So the main problem here is to find the potential difference between Q and S, and thereafter find the potential difference between S and R. So how should we approach this type of question? In order to approach this type of question, we must draw something in the diagram first. We have given that the current is from P to R. This is also one important clue that the question has already given to us. So let's draw the diagram first. Because we have no source, we supply the energy here. So let's draw it on our own. We'll draw this. Then after the current will flow from P to R, right? So let's make a symbol. We show the current is flowing from P to R. Okay. Then after, when we mark the flow of current, we will find that there is a junction. So when current reaches to a junction, and by Kirchhoff's first law, the current will split. So one of the part of the current will go here, let's say I1, and let's suppose I is the current. Then after another part of the current, that is I2, flows from this part. What I need to understand is that when the current is flowing differently, because in series current flows same current flows, whereas in parallel combination, the current flows differently in different paths. So that means this side and this side is in parallel to each other. So one of the side has the total voltage of 9. Then after another combination must have, another parallel combination must have the total resistance of 9 voltage too. So when you find this, 5 plus, let's say this is B1. B1 must be equal to 9. Therefore, B1 is equal to 4. Which is B1? B1 is the voltage drop across R and S. So between R and S, there is the voltage drop of 4 voltage. We can easily eliminate option B and option D. So we get the idea that the total voltage is 9 volt. This means when there is 3 voltage drop in this resistance, we have 6 voltage remaining over here, right? And similarly, when current flows like this, we have 5 volt drop over here, right? 5 volt drop over here. That means we have 4 voltage remaining here. When we find the potential difference between point Q and S, the potential difference is always the subtraction between the ends of resistor. So 6 minus 4 equals 2 voltage. So our final answer becomes